Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, I am going to discuss the topic on amendment of pleadings of a plaint. You may be knowing it is under Order 6, Rule 17 of the CPC. So, this has come into a very good case law in a form of revision. In the High Court of Telangana, Honorable Justice G. Sridevi, while disposing the case of Sodari Mallaya versus Jadi Mallaya in criminal revision petition number 1345 by 2020 on 28/1/2021, almost 1 year back. She held that the amendment of pleadings can be allowed at any stage, provided the nature of the case, nature of the suit does not change. So amendments can be allowed at any point of time. But the thing is, just like the basic structure, the basic suit should not be changed, should not be altered. So please remember, if the amendment is likely to disturb the very nature of the plaint, definitely it cannot be allowed. Otherwise, it can be allowed at any point of time. Maybe, so for precautionary sake, I have told you, particularly the CPC students, that the amendment can be filed before the trial starts, more particularly before the issues are framed. But there may be some occasions where the amendment may be sought even after the trial commences. Here in this case, the trial commenced. Now, let us go to know the brief facts of the case. So, in this case, the plaintiff, Sodari Mallaya, he filed an injunction petition in the court, the trial court, that is Municipal Court Chennur of Mancherial district. He filed a suit for perpetual injunction against the defendant, that is Jadi Mallaya. Of course, the injunction was not granted. As usual, on 39, they have given a notice to the other party. The other party came, of course, they did not also file any caveat under 148A. So they appeared, they objected, and the matter is going for trial, because the magistrate or the judge has to complete it within 1 month. Well, the trial is going on, and the PW1 is examined. He was cross-examined. Now, PW1, same, the plaintiff, he has filed a petition before the court seeking for amendment of the pleadings. So, what is the subject? The subject is, by mistake, in the schedule as well as in the averments of the plaint, it was mentioned as survey number 418 by 10 and 2 guntas, whereas it is actually located in survey number 418 by 6. So, instead of survey number 418 by 6, it was mentioned as 418 by 10. It is a critical, clerical or typographical mistake or computer mistake. So, because why it has to be amended? The amendment is necessary for proper adjudication. If the amendment is not done, definitely prejudice will be caused, right? And of course, since there is no change in the nature of the suit, the amendment may be allowed, that is a request. But of course, the respondents, when the notice is given, the respondents claim that already the trial has started. PW was examined, he was cross-examined also, and in this in the cross-examination, he stated that 418 by 10. And what is the purpose of making amendment at this stage? That is their question. So, trial court dismissed the amendment pleadings. So, as such, they have gone for revision. This is a revision petition number 134 by 2020. The matter has come up before the Honorable Justice Madam G. Sridevi. Right? She stated that the she has quoted rule number 17 also, order 6 rule number 17. So, the court may at any stage the court may at any stage allow either party to alter or amend the pleadings provided the nature of the suit does not change. Here, by mentioning or by correcting the survey number, nothing is going to happen. Heavens are not going to fall down, and the evidence will not be tampered. So therefore, when such a simple incident, the trial court ought to have given permission to amend the plaint, but it has not given. It is not correct, and ultimately High Court has given permission for the amendments. Very good case law. Of course, already I told the case law to the final year students, but anyway, since it has come very recently to my notice, once again I wanted to refresh your minds with such a revision petition. Order 6, Rule 17, amendment can be done at any stage provided there is no alteration in the nature of the case. Good judgment, read it and enhance your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.